Hey there, friends. Thanks for checking in. Last week we had a showdown with Sig Sauer versus CZ Handguns. After reading all of the comments that came in, it was clear that CZ won. Today we're going to have another showdown with Glock Handguns versus Walther Handguns. And what I want to know is, which of these companies suit your needs better? They match up very well in size and price. I think this will be good, so let's do this. Let's start with each of these companies' most popular models. Here we have a Glock 19 and a Walther Ppq, both polymer frame striker fire compact size handguns with 4-inch barrels, 15 rounds in the mag, and priced right around $550 brand new. Let's start with the Glock 19, Glock's most popular model. An excellent choice for CCW, range fun, home defense, you name it, duty. The Glock 19 serves so many purposes. Great all-around gun. Comes with 15-round magazines, and it's known for its reliability. And people love the reliability. It will fire anything, and it's very customizable as well. Glocks hold the market with aftermarket accessories, and they just dominate in that area. The sights, typically are changed out. These are night sights, and they work extremely well with this all-around duty gun. I consider the Glock 19 a working man's gun. But not to be outdone, we have the Walther Ppq, and this is an outstanding gun as well, known for excellent ergonomics with that grip. Also holds 15 rounds, a butter smooth trigger that breaks right at 5.6 pounds. Does have front serrations there, comes standard with 3-dot sights and a 1913 rail. Also known for reliability. Huge market out there for the Ppq. People who own them love them, and I can't speak highly enough about this Ppq. I find both of these outstanding compact size guns. Let's now feature the subcompact double stack magazine handguns. Here we have a Glock 26 and a Walther Ppq SC subcompact. Both of these mimic the same features as the compact size, just smaller, both priced right around $550, and both come stock holding 10 rounds in the magazine. This is a bone stock Glock 26. I intentionally kept it that way. A very nice carry gun. The only difference between a Glock right out of the box is the mag extension. I have a special fondness for the Glock 26. I think it's pretty phenomenal. The trigger pull is excellent. The reset is excellent as well. A quick shooter, known for its reliability, much like the Glock 19. And the biggest advantage that I see with this is it will also accept higher capacity magazines, and Glock does a great job with that. It does have the U-notch rear sight, front dot, excellent all-around shooter, 3.43 inch barrel, and I just love this Glock 26. I think it's an excellent carry choice. But over here we have the Ppq Subcompact. Once again, excellent ergos. Also holds 10 rounds in the magazine. Does have the front serrations, the 3-dot sights, and it mimics many of the same qualities of the compact size Ppq, which I love as well. And this is just such a straight shooter, very smooth, very accurate, very reliable. I think Walther did a great job when they came out with the subcompact model of the Ppq, and this gun is a real winner. You really can't go wrong with either of these. Now let's compare subcompact single stack magazines, and here we have the Walther CCP M2 and the Glock 43. Let's start with the Walther this time. Subcompact gun that carries 8 rounds in the magazine. A very soft shooting gun. It does have a striker fire indicator there, 3-dot sights, and easier to disassemble than its original CCP, and a very nice trigger. It does reset almost to full position, but it's a quick shooting gun. It's a soft shooting gun. It does have front serrations there, 3-dot sights, 1913 rail, and the same ergos we are used to with Walther handguns. I really enjoy this. I think Walther did a great job with the second generation CCP. But over here we have a Glock 43. Glock delivered when people wanted a single stack gun, and I recently learned that this is the second highest selling handgun that Glock makes, and that speaks highly of the Glock 43. Very thin, very light, and very popular. We'll do a quick size comparison. See, that's a little bit shorter, but the disadvantage is that it holds only 6 rounds in the magazine, but the advantage is that, once again, aftermarket accessories are already available for higher mag capacity, and that's where Glock is going to win out against just about anybody. So here we have a very nice trigger pull, Very nice shooting gun. It carries well, it's light, and it does have that Glock reliability that people have come to know and love. I think both of these guns are excellent in their own right. So there it is, guys. Which one of these companies do you prefer more? Is it Glock or is it Walther? I look forward to reading all the comments that will come in, and I will report back at our next showdown which one won. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.